In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete split in Capcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to split a clip at the perfect moment and remove the part you don't want, all inside Capcut's online editor. First, open your browser and head to capcut.com. This takes you to Capcut's workspace where you can edit directly on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work saves properly. Once you're in, click Create New. This opens a fresh editing canvas. Right away, choose the aspect ratio that fits where your video will live. For example, 16:9 is great for YouTube, 9:16 works for vertical platforms, and 1:1 is classic square. Picking the right ratio now saves time later and prevents awkward cropping. Next, upload your footage. Click the option that says click to upload and select your video. Give it a moment to process. After it's imported, your clip will appear in the editor and you'll see it on the timeline. Click on the video in the timeline so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. Now, press play in the preview to watch your footage. As you play, keep an eye and ear out for the exact moment you want to remove. Maybe a mistake, a pause, or a section you simply don't need. You can tap the spacebar to play and pause quickly and use the timeline zoom controls to get more precise if needed. Position the playhead exactly where the unwanted part begins. When you've found the spot, click Split. The split tool looks like a little scissor icon and it will cut your clip at the playhead. If the section you want to remove is longer, move the playhead to the end of that unwanted part and click Split again. Now that portion is isolated between two cuts. Select the split segment you want to get rid of by clicking it on the timeline, then press Delete on your keyboard. The clip will be removed and the remaining pieces will snap together to close the gap. If you accidentally delete the wrong piece, use Undo to bring it back instantly. You can also right-click a selected segment and choose Delete if you prefer using the mouse. Give your edit a quick playback to confirm the cut is clean and that the timing feels natural. That's all there is to it. Open Capcut, start a new project, choose your ratio, upload, select the timeline clip, play to find the moment, split and delete the unwanted part. Simple, fast and precise.